What's going on, friends, family, and people I've yet to meet? So today I wanted to discuss what it takes to view a home if you're in the market to buy one. So back in the day, there used to be this thing called open houses. You could cruise around neighborhoods, whether they were in your price range, out of your price range, really didn't matter. You parked your car on the curb, you hopped out of the ride, you walked inside the house, grabbed some cookies, a free drink, and then you were on your way enjoying the rest of your afternoon. Nowadays, since the pandemic, things have drastically changed. So the California Association of Realtors put forth a form called the Coronavirus Property Entry Advisory and Declaration Form, which must be signed by the seller, the seller's agent, the buyer, the buyer's agent, and anybody else who's going to view the property, which right now is a max of 3, which includes me, your agent, and 2 more people. Basically what the form says is that we're going to abide by all the guidelines set forth by California Association of Realtors, wear our mask, and any other guidelines that the listing agent has asked us to do, or seller of the home. Might be some gloves, it might be don't touch this or that. I saw one recently that said touch minimal items because a newborn baby is in the home. Makes perfect sense. Nobody wants to spread the stuff, but everybody's got to get business done, and everybody's in the market. So I want to thank most of all my clients for today. Carlos and Alicia, you guys were rock stars. I appreciate you guys so much. So what happened with us today was that we had 3 properties in Norco that we went to go look at, and before I even left my house at 8:30 in the morning, 2 of those properties had accepted offers off the market. One had 5 backup offers and the other one had 10 backup offers. Is that insane? Not right now. It's actually pretty common. But anyhow, I digress. What happened was we were able to find 2 more properties that we could look at. Luckily, those agents were on top of their game. They were able to respond to me very quickly, and we got to go see some houses. So we still got 3 showings in, which was great. It wasn't a true wasted day, but, of course they were frustrated. Things are what they are. It's the pandemic. People are all on fire right now, and so is the market. So anyhow, if you have any questions about what it's going to go take to view that property that you want to go see with me, let me know. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.